pain started on July 18th. I can even tell you the minute that it started. And it was just sudden and totally debilitating. I could not move with it. So that makes it about 2 months that it was just horrendous.
Was it constant? Was there
It was
anything
constant. Nothing seemed to help. I went to urgent care, and they prescribed muscle relaxers and Vicodin. And then I went 2 weeks later when all of that medicine was up, and I went back to my own doctor and was prescribed muscle relaxer and Vicodin. And the pain continued, except when I had just taken the Vicodin. And then 2 weeks later, I went to the emergency room, and they said, "Here, try some muscle relaxers, some Vicodin." And I started crying at that point because obviously that's not working, and I needed help. And the emergency room doctor was the one who said, "Why don't you try a chiropractor? You might get some relief."
Tell us about your experience with Dr. Hogning's care. How did your symptoms and condition respond to the care, and how long did it take for you to start feeling improvements?
It responded immediately. Dr. Hogning was so warm and explained everything so well. I really didn't have any fears about it, but it was better almost right away. And then the next week I got on an airplane and drove across country. So that didn't help it very much, but as soon as I got back and into a routine where I was able to see someone every couple of days for the first week, things got better right away.
And how have you been feeling recently?
This week has just been great. I haven't been coming for a very long time. It's just really been about 3 weeks, and it's so much better. So much better. My father's a physician. He practiced in the 1950s and 60s, and it was his firm belief, and therefore mine, that chiropractors were quacks. That was the word he used. And he's a medical doctor. This is what he had been told. This is what he believed. Of course, it's many years since that time. I did not find chiropractors to be quacks. I found them people who cared a great deal about how I was feeling, and were not satisfied with just giving me the same medications that didn't work, that they were going to look for something that really worked. So I'm very happy.
What would you tell somebody who's thinking about starting chiropractic care at Hognine Chiropractic and Wellness Clinic, but not sure if they should?
I said to this person last week, I said, "You should try this." I found immediate relief. They were willing to work with me on the financial piece of it, and I just find them people that I can talk with and find an answer to my issues with. So it was great. She came right away.